Hi guys, today we are having a look at the Astrum SN90. I don't know if this watch is branded something else in other countries or other places, but yeah. So what I can see on the box is that it's got a few sports modes, IP68 waterproof, camera remote, message alert, and wireless calling. So we have unboxed the SN93 before. But the difference with this one and that one is that this one can actually make calls, so it's got a microphone and a speaker, I believe. So we'll see how that goes. So it does connect with Bluetooth with your phone. Alright, on this side of the box it says something about breath training, sleep monitoring, sedentary reminder, 24-hour heart rate monitor, and wireless music. So you've got all the basic features that a smartwatch should have. These don't have GPSs. So yeah, let's take this one out of the box, and it's in another box. So this is just a little cover for branding purposes. So it says smartwatch, and just a nice, really nice printed box you get with this watch. Let's see on the other side. There we go. This is you get like a green, a black, and a red watch or band colors on these. So that's your different color options. Let's open this up. Okay. So they want you to connect it to the app and then pair it to your Bluetooth. Okay, that doesn't make sense, but we'll do it in that order and see if there's anything special special about doing it that way. So let's check it out. So in the box you've got your little bands. These are like a silicone kind of a flexible, soft kind of a band, and they've got pins with these little things you can pull to get the bands off again from the watch. Okay, and there's the watch. So it is a fairly big watch. Yeah, I don't know. Putting it on my wrist, it looks like it's going to be a very large watch. It's thick. we can have a look at how thick it is. So there's the ports, I believe, for the volume or the microphone, or that's the microphone ports, and there's your little button on the side. So let's just quickly check out the charger. There we go, and there's also a little booklet. So with this one you have to use the Wi-Fit app. Okay, these little chargers works very nicely. You've got your USB, and then this just it's magnetized, so it'll just connect to the device and charge the device very easily. So let's get these straps on, or not. Yeah, let's just switch on the watch and see how it looks. Okay, so let's have a look at the watch. Switch it on. Let's just get this off. Just gonna stick it here for now. It's a very nice finish there. It's got little fine stripes all around. It's the same as the previous model, this kind of a design. So let's get it, switch it on. Okay. Yeah, that looks very nice. Let's see what happens if we swipe right on this one. Okay, there you go. We've got the whole menu there. And there's some more features even. So it looks like there's a lot of stuff on this watch. Let's go back. Swipe from the top down. Oh, they've got your using it as a flashlight or checking your messages and putting it to sleep or answering a call. Let's just see swiping. Okay, wait. Swiping left. Oh, there's another menu. Well, it's very smooth. Doesn't lag or anything like that. Then from the bottom to the top, there's just your steps and stuff, so it'll show you your daily stuff. Okay. And your music player. So yeah, that's the menu functions on this one. I'm not gonna go into detail on how that all works, but what I can tell you is it's got like a metal or aluminium kind of a chassis and a plastic bottom. Let's see how it looks like if it's trying to check your breath. Oh no, sorry. Let's see how it looks like when you're trying to see the oxygen in your blood. Okay, so it's got those lights, same as all the others, trying to check out the oxygen level. Let's see if it'll read my oxygen by just holding it like that. Okay, so check the oxygen level in my blood, and yeah, that's a nice feature to have in these days. Okay, so what we've done, we've installed the Wi-Fi app on the cell phone. They say after that you have to pair your Bluetooth also with the device. So we did that. It's not the SN90 name, it's another name you have to pair with. Then you can actually go to the dialer. Let me just get that quickly. I'm sure there's a shortcut for that. For some reason it goes into like a sleep mode maybe after a while, but there we go. You can actually see it's on, but a few times when I've checked it, it was actually off, so you can't make calls with it immediately, but if that's not on. So let's just go to the dialer. Let me see what number I can dial. Wat is ons nommer? 087. Okay, so we're making a call, and it's oh, hello.
I can hear you very clearly.
Okay, cool. So that's our office number. If everybody wants to order watches from us, yeah. Any case, that's how you can make a call, and yeah, you can also receive calls on this. That's a excellent little feature. We've got an incoming call. Let's answer it. Hello.
Hello?
Nice. I can hear you.
I can hear you clearly.
Okay. Bye. I can hear you clearly. Yeah, I guess this is all I'm gonna say about this watch, and we'll see how it works in maybe the next few days or so, and maybe I'll have some answers if you want to ask questions. Thanks for watching.